So guys, it's a new month and the competition has started. Remember the competition I told you guys in this channel about that I'll be taking the profit competition. The one you are seeing in the first post in my account, this is my TikTok account. The certificate you are seeing there, that was the competition I passed. So I'm trying myself once more again to see how far I've gone. So I'm trying to log into the account today. So join me as I register the account and let's start trading this month. Today is already second. Yeah, it's already second. So let's start trading this month, guys. Let's dive right into my screen. Okay, guys. So let's log into this account now. As you can see, I'm all set up. You can see funded next server 3. So let's go, guys. Let's go. So yeah, guys, this is the account. As you can see, Semtables competition 2025 Eagle. Yeah, this is my account, guys. Let's get into the account. Yeah, cool. Yeah, this is the account, guys. This is the account. Trade, as you can see, is there. So this is what I'll be trading, guys, for this month. But I don't trade currency pair because they don't have a lot of liquidity for me. So if I'm to sell these things, let me sell them right, because I'm deleting everything. All. Yeah. Deleting. So guys, this is what I'm putting my chart. See, silver and gold. Let's add this right now. Silver and gold. Then go again to index 6. Yeah, these are my pair. Germany. Put Germany, then Nasdaq and US 30. S&P 500, then US 30. Yeah, guys, this is my pair. This is what I trade on my account. So let's go. Yeah. Oh, it's the network, guys. The network is not loading. Once the network load, everything will work appropriate, guys. So let me just open this one chart, then go right on to delete AVD card. Yes. So I'm all set, guys. What's next to show? I will show you guys how this. So guys, these are what I'm trading currently. US 30, S&P 500, Nasdaq, Germany 30, silver and gold, guys. Those are what I'm trading right now. So you can see. So guys, let's do a brief analysis on the charts. Let's do a brief analysis on this chart. Okay. Okay, on US 30 right now. On the weekly time frame, as you can see, the market is bullish, guys. As you can see on the weekly time frame. So let's go to the daily. Now I drew this level over here. Look at this trend line. This trend line over here. I'm expecting the market to take a bounce of this trend line, then continue the uptrend, as you can see. So let's say this is a minor pullback at the daily time frame. A minor pullback to this support, previous resistance, now support level. And let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So you can see this is a triple top, and the market is failing to break this resistance level. Now let's see if the market can respect this support, then bounce upwards, as you can see. So that's my take on US 30, guys. That's my take on US 30. So if you go to the 1-hour time frame, this is where I'll look for my entry, but this is not the right time. So I need to see a bullish momentum before I can be biased on my buy, guys. Like for example, the market has to break this little trend line over here, this 1-hour trend line, guys. So once the market can break this 1-hour trend line, that would be probably a signal for me to buy. Yeah. So that's for US 30. Now let's go to Nasdaq. They are similar, guys. Similar pairs, guys. You can see Nasdaq is still buying, and I drew a mini flag pattern, guys, for Nasdaq. A mini flag pattern. So this is where I will take my buy. As you can see, it's a bullish trend on the daily time frame. So this is where I'll take my buy. Whatever happens, if it breaks upward or downward, this is where I'm going to take my buy for Nasdaq. So you can see, it's a clean setup, guys. It's a clean setup. Once it breaks out on any of the trend lines, I'll go to my lower time frame and look for my entry criteria. Then I'm going to take my buy. As you can see, probably respecting this support level over here. Yeah, I think it's respecting this support level over here. So whatever it takes, guys, we're on it. We are on this trade. Let's see how we can make these 50% on this account this month, guys. 50% on this account this month. Let's see how it goes, guys. Let us see. So on my next videos, my corresponding videos, I will be analyzing the gold and silver, guys. I'll be analyzing gold and silver, guys. As you can see, these are promising pairs. As you can see, gold on the weekly time frame, gold is at its monthly, we call it monthly high or all-time high, guys, at $3,526,000 for a pound of gold, guys. As you can see, the daily time frame just broke out of this previous resistance level. Now let's see how we can get on this buy, guys. Let's just see how we can get on this buy. It's a promising buy. So I've marked my levels. Let's see how we can get on this buy, guys. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks, guys.